Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add date and time in publisher footer. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to add date and time to footer. Go to the insert menu, then select the footer option. Then we can see here automatically inserted a text box. Then we select this text box and go to the insert menu again, and we can see here the date and time option. Then we select it. Then we can see here many date and time. Now I select this. Then click or check mark the update automatically option and click OK. Then go back again the master page option, select close master page. Then zoom out this document. Now we can see we insert date and time to this footer very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.